Why does your scanner show the P2568 engine code? What does it mean? P2568 is a diagnostic trouble code for direct ozone reduction, catalyst temperature, sensor circuit range, or performance. This engine code indicates that this means the Engine Control Module (ECM) has detected an issue with the sensor that monitors the temperature of the ozone reduction catalyst, likely due to a malfunction. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective sensor, wiring problems, PCM issues, radiator problems, software issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi A3 and Volkswagen Golf GT IMK6. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.